Chapter number 1, Concepts of the World Wide Web. The World Wide Web is an advanced information retrieval system on the Internet platform. It is also known as WWW, W3 or Web in short. It was invented and mentioned on the Internet in 1991 by Tim Berners-Lee, in Switzerland. It is a way of sharing resources with many people at the same time, even if some of these resources are located at opposite ends of world. It is the most exciting and useful aspect of the Internet. The web provides the technology for publishing, sending and obtaining information over the Internet. The main uses of the World Wide Web are as follows. 1. Sending emails. 2. Sharing programs. 3. Collecting information. 4. Entertainment. 5. Meeting people online. 6. Online shopping. 7. Education and self-improvement. 8. Financial transaction. The components of the World Wide Web. Web server. The web server is used to hold and publish your website on the Internet. It is the heart of the Internet. Web browser. The web browser is an application program which is used to display your web pages. For example, Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. Web page. A web page is a HTML document accessible on the World Wide Web. This means the document is present on a web server which has its own web address or URL. Website. A website is a collection of HTML documents that you have created and that other users can access with a web browser. Homepage. The first page which usually appears when visiting a website is called the homepage. The homepage contains a summary of the web pages and their purposes. Hyperlink. Hyperlink is an element that links a topic to another place in the same document or to an entirely different document. It can be text or an image. When a site visitor clicks on the hyperlink, the topic, destination is displayed in a browser. HTML. Hypertext Markup Language. HTML. Hypertext Markup Language is the language that describes the structure and behavior of our web page. HTML document is in the plain text format and can be created in any text editor. For example, Notepad. HTTP. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. A protocol is a set of rules for communicating data. The HTTP protocol is used for retrieving HTML documents on the World Wide Web. It is one of the popular protocols used for communication between computers. FTP. File Transfer Protocol. It is a standard software used to send files to a web server. When you click on a hyperlink on a web page that allows you to download a file, the FTP is used to transfer that file to your hard disk drive. URL, Uniform Resource Locator. It locates the document to be retrieved when a user clicks on a hypertext link. URL is similar to a file name except that, in this case, the file can be on the same machine or on a different machine in the network. The search engine. Search engine is a service that allows Internet users to search for content via World Wide Web, WWW. A user enters keywords or key phrases into a search engine and receives a list of web links to fetch websites, images, videos or other online data. Steps to get online and surf the web. 1. Switch on the computer. 2. Open your Internet access software and initiate the connection. 3. Once you get connected, access the web browser. 4. Type the URL, website address or else use a search engine.